For the complex numbers, z is 2 plus 4i, and w is 4 minus 3i, we want to find, firstly, the real part of z. If we look at z, we can see the real part here, and the imaginary part here. The real part of z is just 2. We now want the imaginary part of w. Here's the real part, and here's the imaginary part. When we put down the imaginary part, however, we only put the coefficient of I. So the imaginary part of w is just minus 3. We now want the conjugate of z. Z is 2 plus 4i. The conjugate has the same real part, but we change the sign on the imaginary part. Finally, we want the real part of z star minus w star. Z star is 2 minus 4i. And we need to take away w star, which is going to be 4 plus 3i. So we want the real part of 2 minus 4i, take away 4, take away 3i, which is the real part of minus 2, take away 7i. We can see the real part is minus 2.